Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make a folder in Schoology that requires student completion. That is, it tracks where students are for a series of tasks and only enables new ones if they've completed the old ones. So here in this test course I have two folders, both are identical. This is one I've already made. I'm going to open up this one. This is the one I want to have students complete in order. This is a physics assessment that we want them to do a pre-assessment first, which will then open up a video. Right now this is just a Google link, but it's a video of the results of the race, and then the last part is going to have them discuss and explain why they saw what they saw. So we want them to see this first and then see what happens in the race. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to options and click down and then mouse over and click this student completion. So open up a tab that shows all of the things that can be done in this folder. So if I want to have them complete all three and I want to track all three of them, I'm going to have them do the pre-assessment first. The results of the race will then appear for them and allow them to click it next once they do something. Then the energy assessment part 2 will be the final part. You need to check this box if you want them to only be available once they do the previous task. So the link will show up once they submit. So I have a few options here. Submit to that first assignment. Then once they click on the link and it opens up a tab, Schoology detects that, which will then allow them to open up this last one. Now, it doesn't really matter whether or not you add a task for the last one, but there is a helpful way to see where each student is at to see if students are finished or haven't quite started. So that is student completion. I'm going to save the changes. And what you'll notice is that it kind of detects what each thing involves in that kind of grayed out text there. So what I can do is then I can open up this folder, and Miss Page is the only student on this test section, and she hasn't done anything yet. So once she makes a submission to that first assignment, that'll detect 33% because it's 1/3 of all the tasks, so on and so forth. Once she makes a submission to this last one, it'll read 100%. Let me show you exactly what that looks like. So if I go back to my test course main page, and I click on this second one, this is the one I already made, and I go to the student progress, Miss Page has already made a submission. So I see that she has completed 33% of the tasks. Now, this might not be the first time you've seen this. I got this from Kurt Trenkel, Paul Schoenbeck, also Nick Del Baccio. I'm sure you've seen this in many different ways, so yeah, I'm not the first to figure this out. All right, thanks. That's it.